Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I totally forgot to do a intro for this video, so I'm doing a voiceover. But also my kids are on Christmas break, so my house is very noisy right now. I'm also quite sick, so yeah, this video is a voiceover, but this is the look that we're doing. It's a gorgeous Christmas look, so let's just go ahead and get started. I'm starting with primer. I'm going to use this Murad oil and pore control mattifier. It also has SPF, I believe 45. Really loving this. It doesn't break me out, but it also has sun protection, so yeah, I'm using that. Then for foundation today, I'm using the Born to Glow by NYX foundation, and I love the coverage of this. This is a little bit too dewy for me, but I just like to switch up my foundation, so I'm not always showing you guys the same foundations. But it's not one of my go-to foundations just because it does get a little bit too dewy for my oily skin. But maybe if you have dry normal skin, you might enjoy this more than me. Now going in with one of my favorite concealers, ELF 16-hour camo concealer. Just gonna go ahead and conceal a little bit of my scarring around my mouth, so we have a flawless even base. Blending that in with my same foundation brush. You guys know this is one of my favorite concealers. It's full coverage, it dries down matte, and I just absolutely love it. Now going in with another favorite of mine, Huda Beauty Tan Tour in the shade medium. This is like a cream contour product basically, but it just blends out so well and the shade is perfect for me. So I'm just going to place that kind of all over my forehead and then also into the hollows of my cheekbone. Can you guys see how it just like melts into the skin? It blends so well. And then I'm also going to take my foundation brush and just dab over the edges of that to make sure they are all blended in and there's no like harsh lines. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to start with the Be Perfect Perfect Prime eyeshadow base. Just going to take the doe foot that it comes with, apply that all over the lid and then blend it in with a little brush. So the palette we're going to be using today is my Tropical Paradise palette, my well-loved palette, as you can see. I'm going to start with the deep dark brown on the outer V. I'm going to start by pressing this in and then slightly and gently blending out the edges of that. Then I'm going to go into the lighter transition brown called Nutmeg and just blend that into the crease, diffusing the deeper darker brown. I'm going to add a tiny dab of orange into it as well, just to add a little bit of warmth to the eye look, and blending that out to not create this nice kind of brown smoky before we go into the bronze shimmer to go on the lid. So I'm going to go into this gorgeous bronze shade and I'm going to put that right onto my lid, dabbing it over with my finger. But I wanted it to be glittery because I mean it is Christmas, guys. I'm going to go into one of my Technic, I think it's called the Glitz liquid eyeshadow glitter things, and I just started by dabbing that on and then like spreading it out, but it still wasn't like glittery enough. I wanted like proper glitter sparkle, so I went in with this Sample Beauty pigment. I believe the shade's like Sean Maloney or something like that, and this just added the perfect sparkle to the eye. So I just took a little brush and like spread that all over my lid, and can you guys see how metallic and foiled and glittery that is? It just added the perfect Christmas touch. I also decided I wanted to add a little bit of black to the outer V, so I literally took the smallest amount and just put it on the outer V. Now going into put some lashes on. Now we're going in with concealer, the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. Cult Beauty topped me up with another one. Thank you guys so much. This is my favorite concealer and I actually ran out of my other one, so I have a new one. This is the shade Rich Ginger. I'm going to put it underneath my eyes, down the center of my face, you know, all of that good stuff, and then blend it out with my sponge. And can I just say, guys, while we're here, this is a Beauty Blender sponge that I'm using, and when I first got the Beauty Blender, like the pink one, I wasn't a fan. Like, it didn't expand that well. It didn't get nice and big and thick and juicy. It was kind of still small and tiny, but this blue one and the green one that I received recently from their Christmas collection, it is amazing. It expands beautifully, becomes nice and fluffy and thick and everything I want in a Beauty Blender sponge, and it's just amazing. So yeah, not all beauty blenders are created the same. But yeah, anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and blend this concealer in, and let me know down below, do you like Beauty Blender or do you prefer dupes? Like, what sponge do you use? What's your go-to? Let me know. Anyways, going in to set the concealer, Huda Beauty Blondie Easy Bake Powder. Love this stuff. This is so flawless underneath my eyes. One of my favorites, but not my absolute favorite, but still a favorite, if that makes sense. It melts into the face so beautifully, sets, mattifies, blurs, all of that good stuff. So putting that underneath my eyes, over kind of my whole face, apart from my contour areas, and yeah. Now going into bronze, honey, I'm going to take this Revolution Pro foundation, powder foundation in F16, lightly dust that all over my forehead, my cheek areas, just adding that gorgeous warmth to the face. Absolutely love bronzing, guys. It just really brings the look together, honey. Moving on to blush, one of my favorite, if not my favorite blush, this by Technic. I believe it's called Indian Summer, and it's just such a gorgeous orangey warm tone blush. But as I turn my face to the side, like, you'll see this golden glow. I don't think you'll see it on camera, but in real life you just see this gorgeous golden glow. Like, can you see the tip of my nose is kind of shining a little bit? That's the blush. Anyways, doing underneath my eyes with the same browns that I used in my crease, blowing and buffing it out. Then doing the lovely mascara face, applying some mascara to my bottom lashes. Then moving on, we're going to line my lips with my favorite Revolution Glory lip liner, which you guys know I love. I finally have a new one. I'm not using that little stub of a liner anymore. Anyways, you guys can see how deep and dark and luscious this is. And even though I'm going in with a red lip, I'm still using a brown lip liner. Anyways, going in with the Nabla liquid lipstick. Love this formula, love this liquid lipstick, and love the colour. Can't remember the shade name right now, but everything will be listed down below. This is a gorgeous ultimate Christmas red colour. Just applying that all over my lips. Then I believe I'm gonna set my face. Am I going to? Yes, haha, using the Too Faced Hangover Spray, I'm going to go ahead and just spray my face and then like blow dry it into place. Blow dry, my gosh. This step is of course optional. It's just a little bit of Christmas sparkle that I wanted to add. They're little kind of star glitter things, but do not get these in your eyes, guys. They're really big and really sharp. So yeah, I just use a little bit of glitter glue or eyelash glue, whatever you have, and just stick it to wherever you want to stick it. But I put it on my inner corner, being very careful not to get any in my eyes. Even when I took it off at night time, I kind of just flick them off. I don't want to like rub it into my face or anything like that. But anyways, just applying that, and look how gorgeous. They're like holographic and sparkly, and oh, I just absolutely love it, guys. I love when I add little touches to my look like this. So here we have the final look. What do you think? I absolutely love it. This is like the ultimate Christmas glam in my opinion. The red lip, the glitter, the sparkles, the gold. I just absolutely love it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Okay, I'm going now. Bye bye.